Hello all, the point of this video is just to show you that the car does start, it does drive, but just for loading purposes it does need an engine. As you can hear, it is knocking. I've got it started now, but obviously the battery is dead. It's been parked up for God knows how long. I'm going to turn it off now. That's just so you know that it does start. Other than that, it's got a bit of damage on there. We've had it parked up, we was due to fix it up, whatnot. Ended up being a project that's just sat around for too long, so thought I'd put it on eBay just to kind of get it gone. It's got damage on this passenger side. I'm not quite sure if it is recorded damage. No, it isn't. So it's unrecorded, but it does need a new engine. You've probably seen it on the pictures anyway. It's a good clean, obviously, but it does start and drive. It's got 83,000 miles on the clock. Gearbox works well. That there has, well, yeah, the bonnet lever wouldn't open, so we had to kind of get all that off, and by the looks of it, a monkey done it. So yeah, nice clean interior, but like I said, it needs an engine, so hence why it's on eBay. Other than that, all seems well and good. If you've got any other questions, you need any other angles, let me know. Thanks a lot.